In this period, sanitizing is super important. Alright, time to shop for ingredients. Baking supplies delivery Malaysia. So I've been trying to find online websites where I can buy baking goods, but after looking through many sites, I still prefer to go to a physical shop to look for them because they have all the ingredients I need. Also, some online shops require a minimum purchase amount to be eligible for delivery. Whenever I need to go outside to get the groceries, I'll bring at least 2 recycle bags. Practicality over the ability. I don't know if you guys can see this, but the queue is at least 2 shops long.
You have reached your destination.
The weather here is no joke. Only about few minutes and I'm sweating like mad. A tip, do not wear a black shirt if you sweat easily. The staffs only limit 5 customers maximum per session. They will check your temperature and have you sanitize your hands before going in. Everyone is also notified about the 10 minutes shopping rules, so we can be quite tense in there. Okay, the 30 minutes was worth the wait. I've got my goods. Not all, but mostly, so that's great.
Why you staring out the window?
Here in Jaya Grocer, the SOP is top-notch. The guard will check your temperature before you enter the mall and they practice the 1.5 meter distance between the shoppers. Staff also attend to every customer to have their hands sanitized and provided gloves. Trolley is also given to you and senior citizens have the benefit of entering without the queue. The security guard checks your temperature once more before entering. Okay, so one thing about grocery shopping during MCO is the time spent opening these bags. People around me, including myself, were struggling and we were looking at each other while we were doing, which is pretty funny. Nothing to complain though, better be protected than sorry, right? I have the habit of checking nutrition labels and the expiry date almost every time when I look for the products. Do you have the habit too? Oh yes, they've restocked the vanilla essence! I'm so getting you. Bad news, the loaf pan ran out of stocks. I guess everyone's been busy with baking since MCO started. I get it. Okay, so I've bought this banana bread too. Not for the banana bread, but for this aluminium loaf pan. That's all I can get from my grocery shoppings today. I'm fine.